Have you ever thought about how much it really costs to own an iPhone, not just buying it, but keeping it alive when things go wrong? We often get excited about the launch price of a shiny new device, but the real surprise comes when you crack the screen, drain the battery, or damage a camera. And with the new iPhone 17 lineup, Apple has just revealed how much those repairs will set you back. Spoiler, some of the numbers might make you think twice about skipping AppleCare. Now, one of the biggest headlines when Apple announced the iPhone 17 series was that prices didn't go up this year. The base iPhone 17 still starts at $799, the Air sits right in the middle, and the Pro models push the premium bar higher. But while Apple kept purchase prices the same, what about repair costs? That's where things get interesting. Let's start with the battery. For the standard iPhone 17, an out-of-warranty battery replacement will cost you $99. That's a lot of money, but it's still cheaper compared to what you'll pay if you own an iPhone Air or either of the Pro models. For those, the price jumps to $119. Yep, the iPhone Air might look like a mid-tier device, but when it comes to servicing the battery, Apple treats it like a Pro phone. So if you were wondering where the Air belongs in the family lineup, this is your answer. It's closer to the Pro than the vanilla model, at least in terms of repair bills. Now, what about the camera? This is where the numbers flip. If you need to fix the rear camera on an iPhone 17 or the iPhone Air, Apple will charge you $169. That's not cheap, but it's a lot more reasonable compared to the Pro models. For the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, a damaged rear camera replacement jumps all the way up to $249. That's a huge gap. And it really shows how expensive high-end hardware can be when something goes wrong. So, if we put it together, the iPhone Air feels like it's straddling two worlds. Battery repairs are priced at Pro levels, but camera repairs are priced more like the standard iPhone 17. That makes it a bit confusing to figure out where Apple actually wants the Air to sit in the lineup. Now, before you panic at those numbers, let's talk about AppleCare Plus. This is Apple's extended protection plan, and it might suddenly look like a good deal when you compare it with out-of-pocket repair costs. For the iPhone 17, AppleCare Plus costs $11.99 a month or $119.99 a year. For the iPhone Air and both Pro models, it's $13.99 a month or $139.99 a year. With AppleCare Plus, battery replacements are free if your battery health drops below 80%. And if you need other repairs, instead of paying $169 or $249, you're only paying between $29 and $99 depending on what broke. That's a massive difference. Think about it this way.